Hello friends, today some of our friends asked me to explain about the letters. So I am going to teach you today about the letters. We have 26 letters in English alphabet. So they are divided into three types of letters like sky letters and gross letters and root letters. Why we need to learn these letters? We should know that before we teach to our children. We need to teach our children this technique in order to improve child's awareness regarding the shape and position of the alphabets on the line. The children are introduced to the proper placement of the alphabet. This exercise gives the child the concept of all letters and actually prepares the children indirectly of writing on a paper. Since the child gets a clear concept of the place and position of the each alphabet on the line. So we need to teach the children how to write and or how to place the alphabet in these lines. So we buy a 4-rule notebook for the children. Those lines have a pink line above and below, and in the midst of line blue lines we have. So first of all we have to give a sense of these lines. These are pink lines and these two are blue lines. Now let's know what is the sky letter. Sky letters are having a stem which goes up to a pink line or called sky letters. Let's see what are the sky letters. I am going to write now. I am going to write. I told you already the letter goes up to the pink line, from the blue line to pink line. So now I am going to write. Look, B. The line goes to up to the pink line. So this is the sky letter. D. The line goes to the pink line, from the blue line to pink line. Look at this F. It goes to the pink line. H. It goes to the blue line to pink line. So this is the sky letter. And if you write K, it also goes to the blue line to pink line. L. This letter also goes from blue line to pink line. And T. It is also goes to blue line to pink line. These are all called sky letters. So we have seen how to write the letter in proper place from blue line to pink line. So these letters goes from blue line to pink line. These are all called sky letters. Let's coming to the grass letter. What is meant by a grass letter? Grass letters are the letters fixed between the pink lines, between the blue lines. These letters fixes only between the two blue lines. Let's see what are the blue grass letters. A. It fixed between the blue lines. C, E, O, M, N, S, or U. If you observe, the letters won't go up or down the blue lines. So these are all called grass letters. Next, coming to the root letters. Root letters or the letters, they comes to the below pink line, from the blue line to pink line. Let's see what are the root letters. Look, G. If you observe, the letter comes from blue line to pink line. So this is the root letter. Let's see another root letter, J. If you observe, the letter comes down to the pink, below pink line. P. P also came down to the pink line, from blue line to below pink line. We have to tell them below and above pink lines. So I am stressing now it is below pink line. So you have to tell them like that. And Q. Q also stands on, comes down to the pink line, from blue line to below pink line, below pink line. Y. Y also coming to the, came to the below pink line. So these are all called root letters. So we have to practice the children like this, so that they understand how to write the letters between the lines and above the lines and below the lines, and they will well known of a shape of a letter by doing this, by practicing these letters. So hope you all understand about the sky letters and grass letters and root letters. These are all the letters that we have in English. 26 letters we have. In English alphabet we have 26 letters. They are divided into three types of letters. They are sky letters, grass letters and root letters. So we have seen what are those letters we have in English alphabet. Thank you. Thank you.